Hi, Charles here. Well, we are doing the final fitting of the vent for the ZeroBreeze, and I'll have Susie show you what she came up with, and I think it's going to work really well, and it's really one of the last things that we're going to do. Thanks for watching. So what's happening, Mrs. Moman?
I'm marking where these go.
Okay. So we're trying the liquid nails, fuse it, and I use that for various things inside. So, what do you think?
I think it'll work. We just gotta wait and see.
Yeah, let it dry. Are you just gonna do the one?
Oh, no, but I want to hold it for a minute.
Yeah.
I mean, I could have put it all over it. Well, I put off doing this forever because I was trying to mulling over how to do it, and I cut out a piece of wood, and then I cut out something else, and finally I was like, why don't I just glue it? So I did with its fuse that'll glue anything. I just glued it on the back of here. I did have to fit, I put this in the window first to make sure I didn't put this up too high, then the window won't close. And then you gotta just make sure you got it positioned in the right place. Glue it, stick it on there. I'm just going to show you how to put this in the window then. You start on the right. You have to get it in the right groove. There's 2 grooves there. And push it up. Just like so, all the way up. So you need to put the window up. You can put it in the window first, but I think this is easier. If you have an automatic window going up, you kind of have to do it a tiny bit at a time. Otherwise it goes up and then comes right back down.
So this is where the ZeroBreeze will sit. You saw that in a previous test. We're not running it today. We're just showing you how it hooks up. So we've got the hoses that come with the ZeroBreeze. And now Susie will show how using the foil, I guess you call it, ductwork, how she's going to connect it.
So I put my hand in here so I can operate from the inside. It's got, the white plastic has like teeth in there that holds it.
So it's basically we're doing a friction fit.
I did cut 2 of the metal wires with a wire cutter, and just to make it smaller, to stuff it in there, just kind of stuff it in there, and it's holding.
Yeah.
We think this idea is a great solution. The curtains are going to go here, and the other hose comes out right here. It's going to come out in this room, and we're very happy with it, and thanks for watching.